Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We are going over Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has actually tanked. The whole market's down besides Bitcoin dominance. That's not really a coin. That's just showing us how much money has flown into Bitcoin. And it's gone up 6%, but that's surprising because Bitcoin is absolutely tanking. Excuse me. Go ahead and look at Bitcoin. This is the 21 week EMA. And we are currently sitting below it, and we found resistance. And again, that is not good. And because this whole bull run and if we go back in the past, we rode this 21 EMA the whole time. And when we passed it or bounced on it and we broke through it, and that's when it signaled us that we were going to enter a bear market. And I do think that's what's coming. And a lot of people didn't want to believe me. No one listened. TikTok, YouTube, no one liked the idea of Bitcoin not hitting 100,000 this year. And I called it head and shoulders here. So, and again, we just broke through this. Oh, we bounced back really fast. We broke through this 200 SMA. And if we can actually stay above that, that would be good. And it might just be a false breakout. We might continue to pop back up and then continue to pop. But we did break past my support level of that $40,000. Our next support level is at 30,000. I really don't know why this market crashed like this, but you know, it happens some days. I'm not too worried about it whatsoever. Everything's still valid. This chart, this channel is still somewhat valid. Broke through, but didn't really happen. So if we can close in this channel, then I would expect us to see a nice retracement back up. And if we can break above this 21 weekly EMA, and then stay above that, that would be ideal for us too. But I mean, drop 13%, that is a lot of cash. That is a lot of money. I wish this would show us the market cap. But, you know, I'm not worried at all. It's going to continue to push up probably. Let's go ahead and take a peek at some Fibonacci retracements here. Because again, we needed that strong retracement. Again, we pulled back straight to that 50% level. That's amazing. That's fucking perfect. Because if that is successful, we can go and take a peek at some Fibonacci extensions. And then look where it ends up, $90,000 to $95,000. That is a price target that we have for Bitcoin if it pops up. If it continues to, if it holds this level, it has strong momentum upwards. If we break this target, that's where we're heading. And that looks absolutely gorgeous. That very well could happen, but will it happen? I have no idea. Again, this is a very, very strong pullback. Let's go and take a peek at the past. Oh, there it is. And we're looking at the daily chart here. This is back in 2017. You just said we had pull, like boom, boom, boom. See how it's like we had the first pullback, second pullback, and on the third pullback we fell. That's what I think's happening. Pullback, and then just some pullback, another pullback, and that's when we're falling. And I mean, I don't really know what to expect from this. If we break above this 21 weekly EMA, then we can continue to push up. But we might continue to pull back. I'm going to go ahead and delete this channel and delete this line. Go ahead and clean this graph up, because we did have that support there. I do have long-term support of $20,000. Excuse me. The weekly chart, if we go ahead and take a peek at the weekly chart, we are extremely overextended. I think this is the 21 weekly. This is the 50 SMA, 50 weekly, and 200 weekly. Again, I am not going to be buying Bitcoin until we touch this 200 SMA. That's just not something I'm going to do. So, I mean, this very well, I mean, you know, who knows? This very well could be this small run up, could be this small run up, this run up, boom, then this run up, boom. And maybe we're looking for that extra run. Who knows? Who knows? You know, I'm gonna be optimistic. I'm gonna be optimistic, but you know, I'm not going to actually buy. I don't have any Bitcoin right now. I'm only gonna buy Bitcoin when it comes down and touches this 200 SMA. That's it. I'm just gonna hold it and hold it and hold it. That's it. I'm not worried about it. I don't think it's going to continue to come down all the way here. I think it's going to pull back slowly, like it did here. And touch it. Excuse me. See how we had this run up, boom, and then another run. So run up and then find support. That's what I think could happen. We had a run up, found support, or somewhere. I think it could be somewhere in here. Just, I don't think we'll continue to come down to that $10,000 mark, or even 12,000. I think we'll stay at 20,000 mark at the end of the bear market. But again, it's Bitcoin, so we'll see how far it drops. Let's go and take a peek at the Bitcoin dominance at back in 2017. Yeah, so back in 2017, it was dropping. It didn't drop this hard. But it did drop. It had some corrections, but now we're looking for an actual retracement here. And it came down. We found support around 40, and that's what we're seeing right now. Ideally, we want to have it come back up and then plummet back down to 35. Altcoins will run, but we'll see. This is the weekly chart, so I'm looking for some run. Looking for some run. See, like here when Bitcoin was running, Bitcoin dominance was kind of up here, then it fell off after, and it's been falling off as Bitcoin's been rising. And then it's just now, see, Bitcoin's rising since April 22nd. Since April 22nd, like, that's when it started to fall. It's continuing to falling, and therefore this balance might indicate that Bitcoin could be running up here soon. And we just need to touch this 50 SMA, because this 50 SMA is absolutely, it's cruising. It's cruising up there. So I'm looking for that. And I think that's it for Bitcoin. We haven't done much on Bitcoin. I'm not worried about the whole market, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you consider subscribing, helps with the channel, and you can stay up to date on your cryptos. Peace.